Welcome to daytrading.space.com. We're glad you joined us. Trading stocks has huge potential to make a great living and to have a flexible lifestyle. This training is designed to help you become a profitable trader as quickly as possible. My name is Greg Kilpack, and I began trading stocks in 2001 and training traders and investors since 2013. My videos on YouTube have had over 500,000 views and are now approaching 1 million views. I'm working in partnership with Day Trading Space to teach you everything I wish I knew when I started trading. Trading is a skill that can be learned, and just like any skill, it requires study and practice to be successful. And when you do succeed, the rewards can be great. Learning to trade is like climbing stairs. You do it one step at a time. We want to help you every step of the way. In addition to this training, you'll have access to the chat room during trading hours. We also offer one-on-one coaching with me for an additional fee to review your trades. So without further delay, let's begin. Your job as a trader is to learn to trade profitably by finding good trade opportunities with good odds of success, managing the position correctly, which means knowing when to buy and sell, and most importantly, managing potential loss on every trade. You must strictly follow the trading rules we give you to progress in the program. All stocks you'll be trading will come from a select list of stocks from the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ stock markets. Both stock exchanges are in New York City and are among the largest and most important stock markets in the world. The New York Stock Exchange, or NYSE for short, is located on Wall Street at the lower end or south end of Manhattan in New York City. You can't see it, but it's in the middle of all those big buildings. When a company first starts, it is a private company, meaning it is privately owned by the founders. To grow faster, companies can raise cash by going public. This means they start selling part ownership in the company or sharing ownership with the public to both individuals as well as other companies. The first sale of stock to the public is called the initial public offering, or IPO for short. A stock exchange is where buyers buy stock from sellers. In addition to the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, the United States has several smaller regional exchanges as well. In the U.S., all stock exchanges are highly regulated by the government to promote fairness and the smooth transfer of stock. To begin trading, a stock must be listed on an exchange and be given a symbol, also called a ticker. A symbol allows for easy identification of a company. A stock symbol may not be important for a company with a short name, like Apple, but it's very important for a company with a long name, like AstraZeneca or American Airlines. You'll be using stock symbols in your trading instead of having to spell out the company name. Symbols are also called tickers because stock prices were first transmitted long distances using symbols on a ticker machine like the one shown. This model was built by Thomas Edison in 1869 and remained in use for over 100 years. Let's review. Stock is part ownership of a public company. Stock shares are a unit of ownership. The stock exchange is where stock is bought and sold. A stock symbol are the letters that represent a company. And an IPO, or initial public offering, is when a private company starts to sell its shares to the public. This is the end of the first lesson. At the end of each lesson, you should immediately go to the manual and take the quiz to help you remember what you've learned. Take the quiz now, and when you're ready, go to the next lesson.